Hey everybody, it's the beginning of a new year and I wanted to share with you some new plants that you might be seeing at the garden centers or on online nurseries this year. Some of them are really exciting. Well, all of them are really exciting, and some of them you'll find in our new plant issue, so keep an eye out for that on newsstands, or maybe you already have it in your mailbox. The first one I want to tell you about is Dreamcatcher Epimedium. It has nice big pink and yellow flowers. It's got these big yellow wings. The flowers are bigger than most epimediums, and then the foliage will have a bronze blush in cool weather. So it's really pretty. It's a great plant for dry shade and very easy to take care of. Just cut it back in late winter and make way for those early spring flowers. The next one is Dancing in the Moonlight Hosta. Has very pretty wavy leaves. There's lots of wave to that edge, and it goes clear from the tip of its pointed leaf down to the base of the plant. So if you need like a good contrast to maybe some broader leaved hostas in your shade garden, this is a great choice for that. Rose Rhinestones Penstemon. I grew this one in my garden last year and really liked it. It just bloomed all season long. It has a little bit bigger flowers than some penstemons. They're dark pink, and once those flowers are done, though it took a long time because they're nice and long blooming, you just cut them back and you'll get a second, maybe a little lighter rebloom. It's part of the Bejeweled series that is chosen for its dense habit and lots of flowers. So I think you'll like that one. Stardiva Blue Fanflower was a favorite of lots of people on the staff here. It has a nice compact habit, kind of semi-trailing, so still works good at the edge of your pot. But instead of the usual fan-shaped flowers, the petals go all the way around. So it has a nice little yellow center and petals on the top as well as on the bottom. The Sun Parasol series of mandevillas, you've probably seen some of the red and the pink ones. Well, this year they've released several really interesting varieties. The one we had in the magazine was double pink blush that has double blooms, which is pretty unusual for a mandevilla. Really pretty flowers, and the plants have a bushy habit. So this group of mandevilla are going to form just like a big bunch in your container instead of trailing up. So you don't have to worry about putting a trellis or an obelisk in your container. The other one that goes along with this series is Fired Up, which has orange petals in a pinwheel shape, and then it has a yellow center. Super bright and very pretty. Mauvelous has kind of a stippled mauve color, and Bluephoria is a really unusual blue-purple, very pretty. So I think there's lots of choices in mandevilla this year, and one of them is sure to fit in your containers. The last one I want to tell you about is a vegetable. It's the Canyon series of sweet peppers. So instead of having to buy those colorful peppers at the grocery store, you can grow your own. I had some last summer, and they produced a lot of peppers in either red, yellow, or orange. The plants were really disease resistant. I didn't have any problems with them, and they have really pretty good tasting peppers you can use in your fajitas or a salad. Those are just a few of the new plants you'll find at the Garden Center this year. For more plants and more information, pick up Garden Gate magazine at your newsstand or visit gardengatemagazine.com.